Hi, I'm Jake with Specialized Garage Doors, and we're going to show you how to replace your garage door lock on your garage door. So to change the handle on your garage door, it's easiest to start from the inside. Find your fasteners that hold all the components in the door. Just start taking it apart. And these ones here are going to hold the outside assembly in place. So then go ahead and remove the lock from the front of the door and get out your lock that is in better shape and pop it back in. And then you need to go back to the inside and reassemble it. It's easiest if you have an assistant with you or a spare set of hands to hold this in place while you put the other parts on the inside. It's kind of hard to do by yourself without somebody holding it on the outside. And just go ahead and put it back together in the reverse order that you took it apart. And install your handle over that. And you're set. Again, this is Jake with Specialized Garage Doors, and we've just shown you how to replace the garage door lock on your garage door.